Garage door systems are one of the most frequently used mechanical components in residential and commercial properties, yet routine maintenance is often overlooked. Even small issues can grow into costly problems if left unattended. Common problems like worn torsion springs, noisy rollers, malfunctioning openers, or off-track doors can reduce system performance and compromise safety. Regular inspections and preventative servicing help extend the life of these automatic systems and minimize emergency repairs. Homeowners and property managers can also benefit from understanding how modern garage systems, including smart openers and automated access controls, operate, which makes maintenance more predictable and efficient. For many property owners, knowing when and how to schedule local service for repairs or upgrades is key to avoiding unexpected downtime. Paying attention to these systems not only improves safety, but also helps maintain property value and ensures smooth daily operations.